We'll see mostly clear skies nationwide tomorrow, but clouds will gradually move in starting from Jeju Island in the morning and spreading to the rest of the country in the afternoon. Through tomorrow, inland areas will continue to see large day-to-night temperature swings of around 15 degrees Celsius. So make sure to dress in layers and please take care. Tomorrow, strong winds and high wave advisories may be issued. Starting tomorrow morning, Jeju Island will see strong winds with gusts exceeding 20 meters per second. The offshore waters of the southern coast and around Jeju Island will see around 10 to 60 meters per second, with high waves expected. As for temperatures, tomorrow Seoul will start the day at 10 degrees, Chuncheon at 7 degrees, Busan at 12 degrees. Then by the afternoon, Seoul will get up to 26 degrees, Daejeon at 25 degrees, Gwangju at 26 degrees. Looking ahead, rain is expected on Friday across the southern regions and on Jeju Island, and will clear by Saturday morning. Early summer-like heat will continue into the weekend, but the rain on Friday will briefly bring a break from the heat.